Now let's go to the cabin. There I will explain, I will show in practice how you can basically work with them so that you see it once. So let's go here. These are the banana like sockets that you can just pull them out and in. This is for the line 1. You remember for the in many of the functions we just use for one of the voltages or one of the lines. So it's enough just this. Or if we want to compare, for example, two measure of the values of the two lines, then we can connect like another to here. But right now let it be here. Then these are the voltages, V1, V2, and line 1, line 2, line 3, and the neutral. These are I usually connect them here so that they are staying. Every second we should not do the disconnecting so that the contacts are not worn off. Let me show you in case you need to, for example, remove this relay on top of the terminal. The coils are in this part. You see the orange holder? You just press them down. That's like free. And it's just you have to pull it. And it has like pins on it that these are what are connecting to the wires from the back. And when you want to go put it back, you keep this low and like that, and then press this too so they are ready. With this a bit tricky. Be careful because they break very easily. For example, I want to disconnect this terminal, the contact 2 of this terminal X4. I just put this here and open. I open the third one. And then when you want to put it back, you just press there. That's simple. This one I am keeping it open right now because we will use it in the terminal. It's better not to open and close them too much. And these are how you are connecting this. This one, for example, this is the 17. You just press here and it will be staying. Make sure that it's connected to the correct one. But this 108 is a bit tricky. 108 basically in the back I'm connecting, right now I'm connecting to the 8. I just put like this so that the minimum contact is here. For the feedback we are not getting a lot of current, so that's okay. If even the little contact is there, you see it's falling. It's because it's not a very good contact. Let's put it, for example, 108 again. Make sure you're going to the correct side. And 117 also, I will put the same type. Yeah, I put in this contact. I'm not putting in the top one. It seems it stays even better. Yeah, make sure always that they are in the correct contact, because if you connect them by mistake, it can like burn some of the devices. That is all. This is the switch that right now it's on. Now it's off. When you see the green, it's written off also. So when you are working there, right now there's no power on the cabin. But when there's power on the cabin and you want to do anything with them, better to first turn it off and do what you want, and then power it on. So this is all you have to do. Okay, then next I will show you the relays, how the connections are there.